Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best decibel meter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Reed Instruments R8060 Decibel Meter. It's by far the most expensive and was an obvious choice as our premium product. The reason it costs so much more is that it's designed for professionals. This isn't a decibel meter to see if your baby room is quiet enough or your neighbor is too noisy. That is, unless you've got money to burn. This is more designed for audio engineers, professional acoustics engineers, and people who need an audio recording that will stand up in a court of law. In fact, this version, which retails at around $200, isn't NIST certified, but you can buy one with a certificate of traceability to NIST for an extra $250. That might sound like a lot of money, but it's a drop in the ocean of a major court case. It's the accuracy of this device that sets it apart. It's accurate to plus or minus 1.4 dBA, which makes it the most accurate device on here. And it meets IEC Type 2 requirements, which is a standards authority that determines the accuracy of measuring tools. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BAFX Products SPL Decibel Meter. The first sound level meter on our list is the BAFX Products SPL. It was really hard to choose a best choice product because all sound meters essentially do the same thing. They have slight differences in things like accuracy and price, but it's hard to tell them apart. The reason we thought this one was the best is that it's designed with the general consumer in mind. You can tell that everything has been made to be really simple and easy to use. All you have to do when you receive your dB meter is turn it on and get a reading. There's no need to calibrate it like you would on a more advanced model. There are also no unnecessary features to confuse you. In fact, the only buttons on it are the power button and a max, MIN button that lets you know the maximum and minimum dB levels that the device will record. It measures from 30 dBA to 130 dBA. On that note, it's worth pointing out that it only reads in dBA, but this is the most commonly used sound measurement, so it shouldn't be a problem. The only other features are the large backlit display, which makes it easy to read in any environment, and the microphone, which has a cover that reduces wind noise. At number 3, we have the VLIKE LCD Digital Audio Decibel Meter. The VLIKE LCD Digital Audio Decibel Meter provides plenty of options for ensuring total safety for you, friends, staff, and customers in a wide range of scenarios. The measurement range can identify noises from 30 dBA to 130 dBA, which is the most common variety of noise levels a normal person is likely to encounter at work or in their everyday life. There is a data hold function that allows you to check previous readings to compare and contrast, while the large LCD screen makes reading the measurements straightforward to ensure there are no mistakes. It also boasts anti-interference performance that focuses primarily on the most important sound rather than struggling to cope with a range of noises at once. Its backlight feature is perfect for low-light areas to guarantee continued safety, too. At number 2, we have the RISEPRO Decibel Meter. The RISEPRO Decibel Meter that the manufacturers really cared about the way it looks. The yellow and black color scheme makes it look considerably more attractive than the 2 noise monitors we've featured so far. Not only does it look better, but it comes with a durable carrying case so that you can keep it in pristine condition. And you get a gift box. We're fully aware that a decibel meter is an odd gift to give someone, but it could be suitable for the recording engineer in your life. Or, you could give it as a passive-aggressive present to your noisy neighbor. However good it looks, you need to know that it's capable of doing its job properly. And it is. In fact, it's pretty similar to the BAFX Products SPL in terms of its performance. It has a measurement range of 30 to 130 dBA and an accuracy rating of plus or minus 1.5 dBA. In fact, based on those specs, it's exactly the same. But there are a few ways that it differs from our best choice product. And finally at number 1, we have the Extech 407730 Digital Decibel Meter. The Extech 407730 is a bit more of a serious tool in the world of sound measurement. You can tell this straight from the off, just by the fact that it's got more buttons. Interestingly, it's not as accurate as the first decibel meter we featured, which is strange when you consider that it costs over 3 times the price. But, then again, accuracy isn't always the most important thing. Generally, if you are using a sound level meter, it's to determine whether something is too loud or too quiet. You don't normally need to know exactly how loud or quiet it is, just a ballpark figure. So, we'll brush aside the fact that it only measures with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 decibels. The other thing is that it has a minimum recording level of 40 decibels and a maximum of 130 decibels. So, this decibel meter is probably unsuitable for recording engineers and other people that are trying to find out how quiet a room is. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.